Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to delete apps not on the home screen on iPhone. So step one, swipe left till you land on this app library page. And here you will see all the available apps on your iPhone. Now to delete, to delete one of apps that was not on the home screen, simply tap on it and hold like this, and you will see this menu. Click on delete app. Deleting this app will also delete its data. Okay, click on delete, and just like this, the app was deleted successfully on iPhone. And this is how to delete apps that are not on the home screen of home page of iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.